Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure of how to use Spotify's collaborative playlist feature for group music curation on mobile. Let's get started. Open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the Your Library icon, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, select Create at the top right corner, indicated by a plus sign. Among the options presented, choose Playlist and give it a name. If you like, you can also add a description and a cover image. Once you've created the playlist, open it by tapping on its name in your library. To invite collaborators, locate the Invite Collaborators icon represented by a person icon, and tap on it. A pop-up window will appear, offering various options to invite collaborators through social media, copy link, and more. Choose your preferred method to invite collaborators. Anyone who receives the playlist link can click on it to open the playlist in their Spotify app. When they click on Join Playlist, they will become a collaborator, allowing them to add, remove, and edit songs in the playlist. If you want to prevent others from making further changes to the playlist, follow these steps. Go to your desired collaborators playlist and locate their member profile. Tap on it. A pop-up window will appear, showing you the list of collaborators. Next, tap on the three dots icon, which is located next to your desired collaborator's name. A menu bar will appear. From the menu, choose Remove as a collaborator. That's it. Now you have full control over your playlist collaboration. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.